A different kind of ISN. All of the information in this presentation, including a video of the presentation, is available in the Google Classroom for this presentation. The class code for the Google Classroom will be provided at the end of the presentation. In order to receive credit for the course, the survey must be completed. Welcome to a different kind of ISN. My name is Kay Walling. I teach English 3, Pre-AP English 2, and Research and Technical Writing at Horizon High School. I started teaching in 1975, which means I am older than dirt. Today we'll answer 5 essential questions. Why create a digital portfolio? How do I create a Google site? How do I assign and grade a digital portfolio? What are some examples of digital portfolios? Where can I find additional information? The first essential question is, why create a digital portfolio? Let's use another useful technology, Padlet, to record the reasons a digital portfolio might be preferable to a paper ISN. Open your browser and go to padlet.com. Join Catherine_Walling/Jeu1LF90S0WC. Please post your reason or reasons to use a digital portfolio rather than using a paper ISN. How do I create a Google site? Let's say I wanted to create a Google site to showcase one of my interests, Civil Air Patrol, the United States Air Force Auxiliary. Where do I begin? I start by opening the Google Drive. Open your Google Drive using whatever method you prefer. Click New, scroll down and click More, then scroll down and click Google Site. I now have a home page for my new Google site ready to edit. I start by giving my page a title. I'll call this Digital Portfolio. Notice I have options. If I click the drop-down box, I have several font options. I can align the title to the left, center, or right. I can add a hyperlink to the title. Finally, I can delete the title text box. The editing functions are similar to those found in other Google applications. If I move the cursor out of the text box, I get options to change the background image and the header type. I can choose from a gallery of stock photos from my background or upload a photo of my choosing. Notice when the background was changed to a lighter color, the text automatically changed to a darker color. I can choose to have a large banner, the regular banner, or to only show the title text in the banner. Now I'm ready to name my site. I can also add a logo of my choosing. I've set up the home page for my site. The title of the home page is Digital Portfolio. The title is set against a banner with a cloud graphic. The name of the site is Colonel Walling, CAP. I've added Civil Air Patrol pilot wings as a logo, appropriate for showcasing my accomplishments and activities in Civil Air Patrol. The next step is to publish my site. This saves all my efforts. I can still edit the site, but I must publish the site to save the changes. Using the icons at the top of the page, I can preview how the website will look, copy the link to my published site, invite people to review or edit the website. Clicking the three dots provides even more options. Using the icons on the right side editing panel, I can insert a text box or an image. I can embed a link from another website or upload files from my computer to Google Drive. If the file is already in Google Drive, I simply click the Google Drive icon and insert the file. I can also insert YouTube videos, Google Calendars, or a Google Map with a click of the mouse. Scroll down the right side panel to see the icons to insert Google Docs, slides, sheets, forms, and charts. Creating and editing a page is a point-and-click operation. Let's say I want to divide my website according to my experiences in Civil Air Patrol. To add a page, select Pages from the top of the right side panel. Then click the icon at the bottom. It looks like a page with a plus sign. I'll be prompted to name the new page. I'm going to call this new page Command Experience. Now I can design and edit my new page. Notice how Google automatically adds the page to the navigation bar at the top of the website and to the right side editing panel. Clicking the name of the new page on the right side editing panel opens a list of options. The most common one is Add Subpage. So now I can show my command experience at the squadron, wing, and region level. These subpages are displayed on the right side editing panel. You'll also notice the command experience page on the navigation panel now has a caret. If I click on the caret, I can see all the subpages under the command experience page. I build my site by continuing to add content, pages, and subpages. The next essential question is, how do I assign and grade a digital portfolio? Assign the digital portfolio in Google Classroom. If you have been using a paper ISN, use the same grading metrics for the digital portfolio as you do for the ISN. Otherwise, create a grading metrics for the digital portfolio. Here's a copy that I use. I created it on a Google Sheet. I open the Google Sheet and make a copy. I name the copy with the student's name. I enter the score between 1 and 5 for each criteria, with 1 being unsatisfactory and 5 being outstanding. The Google Sheet automatically calculates a raw score. The bottom of the sheet shows the 5 possible scores, the score conversion, the raw score, and the grade. In the assignment, provide the initial instructions for creating the digital portfolio. This is where I actually teach the students how to create a Google site. Make sure you've checked with your instructional technology coordinator to ensure Google Sites have been unblocked for your students. As the year progresses, you can add new elements and pages for each instructional unit. I generally add a digital portfolio check every 3 weeks. Have your students follow these steps to turn in their digital portfolios. First, publish the site. This saves any changes the student has made. Next, click the link icon to get the URL for the digital portfolio. Finally, copy the link. Have the student open the assignment and click Add. Then click Link. Paste the URL link, click Add Link, and finally turn in the assignment. What are some examples of digital portfolios? Let me share several from my students. Jasmine is enrolled in the first period English 3. Isaac is also enrolled in first period English 3. Jasmine is enrolled in third period English 3. Where can I find additional information? If you do a search for new Google site, you will find more information than you can possibly review. Google Sites continues to add features and functionality, so make sure you're using the latest information. Get Ready for 2018 with Updates to New Google Sites has information about the most recent updates. How to use the new Google Sites tutorial provides all the basics. One of my favorite websites for all kinds of technology is Technology for Teachers and Students. This YouTube channel is filled with technology ideas for your classroom. Do a search for Google. Finally, as promised, all this information is provided in the Google Classroom for a different kind of ISN. The classroom code is SUJEQ7S. Please make sure you complete the survey to receive credit for the section. For more information, please email me at catherine.walling@clint.net.